Hello! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And now, to enable and disable the silent mode, you need to tap on this icon right here. As you can see, now the icon is blue. This means that the sound is enabled. And if you want to disable the sound, simply tap on the icon. It will say sound off, and this means that the silent mode is enabled, so the sound is disabled on your watch. And to disable the silent mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon, and it will say sound on, and the icon will be blue, which means that the silent mode is disabled and you have the sound enabled on your watch. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.